Thank you for joining me for this short webinar. We're going to talk a little bit about why should I get a guardianship and what happens if I move or I just got to Arizona. So one of the big reasons to get a guardianship is that it allows you to continue to talk to the providers, medical providers, DDD, the school system, once your child is over the age of 18, so you can communicate with them. Otherwise, they really should only be talking to your child and not to you. So that's a really big reason to want to do the guardianship. If you move from Arizona to another state, you need to let the Arizona court know if you're the guardian of your person so that they can do an order that allows you to transfer that guardianship. Almost all of the other states are part of our Uniform Guardianship Act, so you shouldn't have to have another hearing unless you move to a place like California, in which case you got to start all over again. The same is true if you move to Arizona. So if you move to Arizona from a state that is part of the Uniform Guardianship Act, we just need an order from that state that allows the transfer, and then we file some papers here in Arizona, but you shouldn't need another hearing or a court investigator to go out and see the person. We get all that filed, you get new letters and orders issued here in Arizona, and that way you have them. One of the concerns is if you don't do the transfer and you have out-of-state orders and something happens, it is possible that the police, the hospital, the doctors may not be comfortable talking to you because you don't have any local orders that they recognize, and so they know that you have the authority to make these kinds of decisions. So give it some thought. I understand there's some cost involved and you want to make sure that your loved one is being as independent as possible, but there are some downsides to not doing the guardianship, especially in a timely manner. Thanks for listening.